Hello everyone! In this post I will share a few ideas for combining videos with H5P slides to create more engaging and interactive experiences for your learners or website visitors. So let's start with explaining quickly what is H5P. H5P is an open source instructional design tool that allows creating more interactive learning objects and resources. It allows to create rich and interactive web experiences more efficiently. So all you need is really a web browser and a website, or LMS for example, with H5P plugin. There is no license required, it's completely for free, so it's often a go-to tool for those who cannot afford tools that require license, like for example Articulate Storyline. H5P is compatible or supports several platforms, and I would expect that more platforms will be added to that list soon. So H5P offers a range of content types for various needs, from interactive videos, presentations, quizzes, through simple activities like flashcards. In this post, I will focus on using videos in H5P presentations, but please note this is different from the actual interactive video, which is a completely different type of content that H5P offers. H5P helps to make your presentation more interactive and engaging, using a range of different functionalities. Embedding videos in your slides is one of these functionalities. And here are a couple of examples of how you can combine video and H5P presentation. So the first idea here is something like a slide introducing the theme or a range of topics. So you can introduce the entire theme or a few topics or sections of the course on a single slide, instead of pages of text or several slides including lots of information. You can put all of that on one slide and use multiple video clips. This way each member can introduce themselves or their topics, and this will all create much more personalized experience for your learners or visitors on your website. I'm showing you an example here, but if you go to my website, you will be able to see the actual live example of this kind of functionality, and link to the post is in the description below. The same approach can be applied to other scenarios. You can introduce content with the video. You can present a more detailed outline of modules on a single slide than it would be possible with text. You can explain concepts or graphs, so you might add videos on the slide where the spoken explanation would work better than text or diagram on its own. You can use video to gamify your content. So for example, you can create a sort of quiz, asking a question and giving 3 answers, and when learners choose the solution, you can include video providing them feedback. So when they click on the play, they will hear feedback. And you can also use videos for creating branching scenarios, but this will be a bit more complex. There is a bit more to plan and design around here. So basically more slides with more options linked to each other would be required to create something like this. And if you want to learn how to create this sort of slide, check the description below. I have a link there to the post with the step-by-step tutorial on creating H5P slides with multiple videos. Another idea would be to create an illusion of interactive video using H5P presentation. This is just another way of combining video with slides by turning your H5P presentation into something that looks like an interactive video. You can see an example here, but again I have a link below the video to the post where you can see it in action. So why and when should you consider creating a video presentation in H5P? Well, the research shows that the majority of viewers want informational and instructional videos to be short. The preference ranges around 3 to 6 minutes video length. Of course, it differs and ultimately depends on the context, your target audience, and the main goal of your video. But let's say you have a video that is quite long, let's say 20 or 30 minutes, and it covers a few distinct topics or themes, let's say 5 of them. What you can do here is to split this video into 5 shorter clips and have each of them in a separate slide. By deciding to do that, you're achieving several things. So first of all, you're keeping your videos short. That's what your viewers like. One of the reasons learners drop out from longer videos is that they don't know if the content is relevant to them. So by including titles of each video section in the side menu, you keep learners informed. The menu itself creates a sense of control. Learners can decide themselves what is important based on their goals and build their own learning journey. So you address learners' need for self-direction and appeal to their motivation. These are really important principles of adult education. If you want to know how to create this sort of interactive video presentation and also get the side navigation and background template completely free, check my other posts and videos. Links are, as usually, are in the description or on the screen. Okay, so that's just a few ideas, and there are definitely many more options and possibilities. I'm really curious if there are any other cool and successful approaches for combining video with H5P presentations that you can recommend. Let's share them. I will be really happy to hear from you. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope it was useful. If you liked it, let me know by liking this video or subscribing to my channel.